Addressing the NDA parliamentary party meeting, Prime Minister Modi took a swipe at the India bloc over their persistent grudges about the EVMs. He said that on the day that the numbers started coming in, he asked if the electronic voting machines are dead or alive, referring to the allegations of EVM rigging. He alleged that the opposition tried to blame the EVMs and thus weaken the Election Commission of India. Listen in to his attack.
मुझे ये बताओ कि ईवीएम जिंदा है कि मर गया? क्योंकि ये लोग तय करके बैठे थे कि भारत के लोकतंत्र और लोकतंत्र की प्रक्रिया के प्रति विश्वास ही लोगों का उठ जाए और लगातार ईवीएम को गाली देना। और मुझे तो लगता था कि शायद इस बार वो ईवीएम की अर्थी क्या जुलूस निकालेंगे, लेकिन 4 जून शाम आते आते उनको ताले लग गए, ईवीएम ने उनको चुप कर दिया। ये ताकत है भारत के लोकतंत्र की, ये ताकत है भारत की निष्पक्षता की। आशा करता हूं कि 5 साल तो अब ईवीएम शायद मुझे नहीं सुनाई देगा, लेकिन जब 29 में हम जाएंगे तो फिर से शायद ईवीएम को लेकर के नाचने की शुरुआत करेंगे।
Now the Prime Minister may think that opposition's EVM trolling would be in pause mode for a while, but the India bloc seems to have other plans. Despite exceeding the expectations in the Lok Sabha tally, the opposition seems still skeptical of the democratic process.
Definitely we will answer. We have a lot of, we are on the process of collecting a lot of evidences. We will collect the evidences and come back to you.
Please recall how the opposition non-stop targeted EVMs, Election Commission and the free and fair process of an Indian democracy. They demean the Prime Minister, they demean the Constitution, they demean the Election Commission, they demean the EVM pattern. And I'm glad that our Honorable Prime Minister has questioned this, because this shows that India is a vibrant democracy with free and fair elections. And yes, the fact that Prime Minister Modi has come back to power for the 3rd time, this is the first time history is being created in India, and I'm sure in the days to come it will be world over.